Need to save a phone number fast without going through multiple menus? Here's a shortcut that lets you create a new contact instantly right from the Edge panel. Let me show you how to set it up and use it on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, you have to make sure that the touch panel is on and create new contact shortcut is add to this panel. To do so, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel, and then tap the gear icon to customize the panel. Swipe through the panels and make sure that the touch panel is turned on. Tap Edit at the bottom of the touch panel. Scroll down the screen. Under Contact section, tap Create New Contact to add it to the touch panel. Now you are all set. Close the setting. To see how to use the shortcut, open the Edge panel again. Find the touch panel. Now tap Create New Contact. As you can see, the Contacts app will open directly in New Contact mode. Type the contact info in the details and then tap Save to save the new contact to your contact list. Given to the function, you can use it as an alternative way to add new contacts. As the example, when you are chatting, browsing, or doing something else and someone gives you a number, instead of exiting your app or searching for the contacts app, you just need to swipe and add the contact instantly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.